The word for this video is baking. As a verb, baking means, with person as subject, to cook something in an oven. For example, I baked a delicious cherry pie. As a verb, baking means, with baked thing as subject, to be cooked in an oven. For example, the cake baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As a verb, baking means, to be warmed to drying and hardening. For example, the clay baked in the sun. As a verb, baking means, to dry by heat. For example, they baked the electrical parts lightly to remove moisture. As a verb, baking means, to be hot. For example, I'm baking after that workout in the gym. As a verb, baking means, to cause to be hot. As a verb, baking means, to smoke marijuana. As a verb, baking means, to harden by cold. As a verb, baking means, to fix, lighting, reflections, etc. as part of the texture of an object to improve rendering performance. As a verb, baking means, with, in, or, into. To incorporate into something greater. As a noun, baking means, an action in which something is baked. For example, I'm going to do some baking this afternoon. As a noun, baking means, the way in which something is baked. As a noun, baking means, the production of a batch of baked product. As an adjective, baking means, that bakes. For example, baking bread, baking clay. As an adjective, baking means, of a person, an object, or the weather, very hot, boiling, broiling, roasting. For example, I'm baking, could you open the window? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more word videos.